So I was taught this set from a coach named Daniel Zhao in Grapevine, Texas, but it's called golf. And I talked about a Swalth set earlier. This one is strictly talking about times. It does not impact the stroke count in any way. But what you do is you start out by identifying a par time for each of your swimmers. So I'm going to put in a new swimmer here. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. I'm going to hide this. And he's a butterflyer, and his par time is going to be a 27. And then for freestyle, his par time is going to be a 24. And each hole, I'm going to put in his actual time. And then on the back end of a hidden sheet in the spreadsheet, it's actually going to round that time down. So even if it's a 26.9, it'll round down to a 26. And we talk about with this set, it's all about making sure starts, turns, finishes are clean, because a bad finish could mean the difference between a 26.9 and a 27.1, which in the set has a huge difference. So let's say that Bud Fly has a really bad first finish and he goes 27.1. Let's say on the next one he goes at 26.9. So there's only 0.2 of a second difference. But because we round down, now he gets a point under par because of that 26.9, but not because of the 27.1. Let me zoom out a little bit. So here, say he goes 27.5, 28.0. So now he's a 28.0. That counts as 1 over par. So now he's actually, his score is going to be a 0. And what if he goes 28.2? That's 1 over par. So he's going to have a score of 1. Let's say he goes 26.8 on this one. So that's 1 under par, which means his score is back to 0. Maybe he really dies on this one. He goes a 30. Well, here, that's going to now count as 3 over par. And it's going to calculate that score for every swimmer. And it's not, so this is no longer a set about, who is the fastest on your team. This is a set about who can maintain consistency and who can, handle a high volume of anaerobic work without being influenced too drastically by lactic acid.